Здравейте, приятели на Electric Extreme! Днес се намираме на едно по-различно място, намираме се близо до Банско, Добринище, Пирин и имаме едни специални гости от Гърция, с които се запознахме на изложението в Солун тази година, на мотоизложението. Това са Джорджия и Акис, като ние ще си говорим на английски език и ще сложим субтитри за хората, на които им е по-лесно и които не разбират английски толкова добре. So, hello guys, welcome. So tell us more about you and your experience on bikes. What do you ride?
Well, I ride the Beta 200RR. I ride it from 2020. I really like enduro, and I was always dreaming of coming here in Bansko, Borovic. You have amazing places, and I can't wait for you to show us around.
So you have 4 years of experience with bikes, and before that, have you ridden like mountain bikes or something else?
No, I only had one lifetime experience with mountain bike, and I broke my nose, and that was it. So I said I need something heavier.
And how old are you now?
Now I'm 25.
25. So this goes to show that even if someone hasn't had experience with enduro bikes or even mountain bikes, he can start and in 4 years be in a good spot.
Yes.
Yeah. Great. And you?
Me, I ride 3 years. I have a Yamaha WRF 250.
It's a two-stroke?
No, it's a 4-stroke.
4-stroke, okay.
With a big exhaust.
Akrapovic.
Yeah.
He needs sounds.
I love mountains. I love hike.
Okay.
And I'm here to make some noise.
Okay, to experience something different.
Yeah.
Because electric bikes, they're like very different from as you saw on the way here.
Yeah.
They're very different. So, what are your first impressions on the bikes? We did a small trip from the house where we keep the bikes to here. Maybe like 2 or 3 kilometers. So, what is different?
I'm very amazed. Really, I wasn't expecting that. They are very strong. Very light for me because I'm a woman. I work out, but I need less weight because I stuck on some point and I just did this, and the motorcycle just came up here and tack. It was like a game. Very strong, very easy. It's another experience that you ride and you don't hear the exhaust. You hear nature. You hear the birds. You hear the rivers.
The bears. I don't know if there are any bears around us. Yeah.
You hear more natural sounds.
Yeah.
Like the wheel on the sand and the rocks.
The sound.
Yeah. Do you miss the Akrapovic?
Yes, but I like this.
I don't miss the din of the two-stroke. I prefer this.
Yeah, I had guys that I've talked to who are like riding for 30 years enduro, and they're just sick of the sound anymore. They don't want the headache.
Yeah.
When they hop on these bikes, they're like
Yeah. It's a whole another point of view. It's very different.
Great. Yeah.
They have a reverse gear.
Yes.
Yeah, they're
It's amazing.
Magic button.
You like the magic button?
Yeah. It's very important in the mountain.
Yeah, this is your escape out of jail card, basically, the reverse button. Окей, днес сме се запътили към хижа без Бог, която не знаем пъти до там, но следваме така разни карти. Нашата приятелка Галя, както и казвам днес. Така че пожелайте ни успех, дано да успеем да стигнем на време, батериите да ни стигнат и да няма инциденти, така че да тръгваме. Окей, let's go!
Let's go!
Are you ready?
I was born with
Paparazzi.
paparazzi. We will laugh now.
2 hours later.
Ами, естествено имаме спукана гума.
Коя?
Нормално за спорта. Задната гума на Акис е спукана. Сега ще видим дали е достатъчно само да я припомпим, дали дупката е малка или ще трябва да я сменим. Подготвени сме и за двете, няма проблем.
If you need any help, I can't. I have first mate.
Μοσχαράκια. Cold.
Yeah, cold soup with yogurt and cucumber.
Okay. And this?
This is called kebabche, and the other one is normal meatball.
Goat. You say goat?
No, no goat. This is probably pork, maybe beef, some beef.
And this?
This is moussaka. It's traditional Bulgarian food with potatoes.
And it's amazing.
Meat. You like it? Yeah.
Ναι, τόσο ωραίο.
I came for this.
It's even better if you mix it with the yogurt.
Ah, this.
Yeah, there's the moussaka with the yogurt, it's even better.
Throw it.
No, no, no.
Ah,
This yogurt.
Not the
This yogurt.
ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, this is
Ivan.
on the side. If you mix it with the moussaka, it's even better.
Ключове за моторите, нали са по тях?
She's right. It is better.
Very good.
You know, this is the best thing. When you are up on the mountain, you ride, you get tired, you get wet, exhausted, and then you come and look at this. We earn the calories.
Ето, че се намираме на Безбожкото езеро. Намира се точно в подножието на връх Безбог. Супер красиво енергийно място. Интересното е откъде идва името на връх Безбог. Легендата гласи, че още в началото на османското робство османците са разбрали за лечебните води, които има в село Добринище. И тогава те са започнали малко по малко да изтребват местното население, да го изгонват. И той започна да се изнася към горите, които са в посока към върха. Малко по малко идвали са нагоре и са пратили пратеници, които да кажат на османците, че българите няма да сменят вярата си. Но вместо отговор, това, което получават е, че техните пратеници биват обезглавени. Малко по-късно започват османците да намират българите и започва едно голямо клане. Легендата гласи, че тук цялото езеро е станало кърваво от кръвта на българите, които са се молили и са казвали: Господи, ако те има, помогни ни, но явно той тогава не е чул молитвата им и от тогава легендата гласи, че това място се нарича Безбог. В днешно време това, което можем да намерим, е това красиво Безбожко езеро, заобградено природа от гори, от красивия връх Безбог, който през по-голяма част от годината има сняг, в момента не, защото е август месец, но място е уникално енергийно, много е красиво и е много впечатляващо да го видите наживо. Надяваме се чрез дрона и чрез камерите да успеем да го пресъздадем, но знаете, че винаги наживо е друго. Затова препоръчвам на всеки българин да посети това място и не само на всеки българин. Ако имате приятели чужденци, които посещават България, водете ги на тези места, защото ето видяхме, нашите гости от Гърция останаха очаровани и казаха, че не са предполагали, че в България има толкова красиви места, защото хората дори не знаят за съществуването им. Това е Безбожкото езеро, насладете се на гледката. Пак съм се наял. Направо трудно маневрирам.
Благодаря. No.
Много са вкусни.
Thank. Благодаря.
Аз имам вече да. Мерси.
Благодаря ти много. Благодаря.
Как беше?
Благодаря ти.
Мерси.
So guys, this was our riding for today. What are your impressions from the bikes, from Bulgaria, from the trails?
Well, definitely the whole experience was unforgettable. Beautiful mountains, extraordinary forests, high trees, lakes. We saw everything today.
We saw animals.
Animals, yeah, of course.
What do you think about the Bulgarian food?
Food, the food was awesome. It was the best part of the trip, of the day. And sweets and fruits. And the neighbors here, the people are very friendly, which is also very important. And thank you so much for the welcome and everything.
What do you think about the landscape? How different is it from the Greece?
So many differences. We don't have that big forests.
More difficult for you?
The terrain?
The terrain, no.
Or the bike?
No, because I think you didn't put us on a hard trails. It was balanced. Yeah, a little hop, a little flat, a little uphill, downhill. It was perfect. It was what it has to be for a nice trip.
And for you, how was your experience?
I like it. The bike is very good.
Was it difficult? Was it difficult for you to switch from gas bike to electric?
The rear brake,
The clutch?
the clutch, the gears, but it's very soft, very good. Climb parts. I like the trip. I like the food.
It's good in our taste. Very next to Greek foods.
Yeah, the Greek food is also very delicious. What would you say to anyone who is in Greece right now, who wants to try something different and he maybe considers Bulgaria as an option for enduro?
Well, he definitely has to come here because, and both for the motorcycles, for a different driving experience, and for the views.
And they don't want many experience.
For example, okay, we do enduro, but someone who doesn't drive at all, he can come and drive for the first time with electric motorcycles. They're very easy and friendly to an amateur, and especially for women, because they're very, very light. My Beta was full with, my Beta full with gas is 100 kilos.
Yeah, and doesn't have a reverse.
The magic button.
We have a lot of women, a lot of amateurs who come, and this is their first ride, and they ride either this bike or the smaller bikes. We also have a lot of teenagers with no experience who come.
Perfect.
Yeah, everybody is welcome to us. Without experience, with experience, we have something for everyone. So thanks for watching us, and if you're from somewhere outside of Bulgaria, this was for you to experience more of the landscape, the trails, and our electric bikes.
It's a bucket list experience. Don't miss it.
Ако и вие искате да изживеете красотата на Пирин и да покарате в района на Банско и Добринище, отидете на нашия сайт и се обадете на телефона, за да направите резервация за вас, вашите приятели и да изживеете едно невероятно приключение с нашите електрически мотори.